Will it come to agricultural machinery? CNC Router is an advanced tool that uses numerical control technology to cut and shape wood. With a size of up to 10 meters, this machine can process huge wooden panels into complex details. It is often used in the production of high-end furniture and the construction of large wooden structures. The precision of CNC Router is absolute, cutting wood with a margin of error of only 0.01 millimeters. The vertical bandsaw is designed to cut large blocks of wood into thin sheets. With a saw blade several dozen meters long, it can handle giant tree trunks with ease. The special feature of the machine is that the saw blade speed can be adjusted to cut both hardwood and softwood without burning or chipping the surface. This machine uses high-power lasers to cut and engrave wood. Unlike traditional cutting machines, laser machines can create detailed lines, suitable for decoration and making art products. A large laser machine can cut wood up to 20 centimeters thick. The giant circular saw with a blade diameter of up to 5 meters is ideal for sawing solid wood into boards. The machine's outstanding feature is its ability to operate continuously, cutting hundreds of cubic meters of wood per day without losing performance. High-pressure water cutting is an environmentally friendly solution. Using a hair-thin jet of water with a pressure of up to 60,000 psi, the machine can cut through both wood and glue without damaging the structure of the material. This machine can not only cut, but also grind and shape large blocks of wood. It is widely used in wood carving and handicraft making. The multi-blade saw is the ideal tool for processing large volumes of wood in a short time. With a structure consisting of many saw blades arranged in parallel, this machine is capable of cutting a block of wood into many thin sheets in just one operation. Wood processing factories often use this type of machine to produce flooring or plywood, with a capacity of thousands of cubic meters per day. This machine has a sliding table surface of several meters wide, allowing the processing of large wooden panels that conventional saws cannot handle. Equipped with a high-precision guidance system, the machine ensures straight and smooth cuts. This is an indispensable tool in the large-scale furniture manufacturing industry, or woodworking. One of the most special wood-cutting machines, the giant chainsaw, is mounted on a crane to handle large-diameter solid wood trunks. The chainsaw blade is up to several dozen meters long, combined with the power of a hydraulic motor, allowing the machine to easily cut tree trunks weighing several tons. This type of machine is often used in large-scale logging projects and forests. This machine stands out for its ability to cut wood in circular or spiral shapes, serving decorative wood products or special architectural details. The machine is equipped with an automatic rotation system and a specialized cutting knife, which can shape hardwood while maintaining a smooth and even surface. The edger is designed to cut off excess or uneven edges of large wood panels. With a cutting width of up to 5 meters, this machine can quickly process large blocks of engineered wood or natural wood. The outstanding feature is the ability to adjust the cutting edge size to suit each type of product. This saw machine specializes in processing large blocks of wood into products of uniform size, such as wooden beams, plywood, or wooden frames. With fully automated technology, the machine can automatically recognize the size of the wood block and adjust the saw blade accordingly. The machine's performance reaches thousands of blocks of wood per hour. This machine not only cuts but also presses and shapes industrial wood layers, such as MDF or plywood. With a high-layer pressing system of up to 20 layers, the machine helps to quickly produce wood products with uniform thickness, suitable for the construction and interior industry. The multifunction CNC machine is a combination of sawing, engraving, and drilling. With its huge size, it can process large wooden panels up to tens of square meters. This machine is especially useful in the production of sophisticated furniture or wooden structures in architecture. The giant wood crusher is capable of processing wood scraps into wood chips or sawdust, serving the recycling and production of new wood products. With the ability to crush even large blocks of wood, this machine is equipped with high-strength steel crushing shafts and a motor with hundreds of horsepower, turning wood waste into valuable resources.